That right there is, I think that, you know, that's every girl's desire, pearls and diamonds, I think. Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on a Dollar. I'm your host, Ida. And by now, you have seen the video that has our new logo on it, has our new intro, outro, all our little pop-ups, and I hope you're proud, and I hope you like them as much as I do, especially our new logo. I love the creativity of making me as the D, and I hope you got that out of it without me saying it. But yes, in Design on a Dollar, the D is my face, and the O for on is of course the scissors, which has always been, but there are different scissors now. We have the gold little cut things with the black handles, gold and black, and we have the little hand. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get right into this video because this is our video. You know, I always make a video that takes a long time, but in the end it's worth it. So this is the video where you have your TV show on, or you're listening to your music and you just zoned out. So with that being said, I'm gonna stay up here and show y'all what you need for this DIY, and then I'll move you down there so when we get started. Okay, clear, crystal clear glue. You're gonna need 4 of these, and 4 comes in a pack at Dollar Tree, so you need 1 pack of these per the thing. So you need 4 of these. You need crystals. Dollar Tree sells these, but for this DIY, I recommend that you order them from Amazon. There should be a little thing that says products down on the corner down here, so you could click on that, and I'm quite sure I'll have these linked in there. So you need some clear ones, you need some blue ones, but you're only going to use 2 blue ones out of the pack, but you need blue, or you can take your clear ones and get you some blue acrylic paint if you can't find the blue ones in Dollar Tree, and just paint 2 of these blue. You're also going to need a bigger one of these. Like this right here was a variety pack that I ordered from Amazon as well, and I'll try to link this as well. So you're probably going to need one about this big. I was going to say yay big. You're going to need 2 Chanel's stems or twists, or you're going to need some form of wire, some black paint, hot glue gun, and I am going to make you can make this in a pearl version as well. You can make it in a pearl version. So if you're not into the crystals and you're more of a pearl girl, or you can mix them, because that's what I was going to do. I'm going to make one that you mix the pearls and the crystals together. So yeah. And sapphire, sapphire diamond, yeah. So that, and if you can't find a huge diamond, you can also use the knobs, you know, the pull knobs. You can use that. Will you need scissors? Oh, you're gonna need a paintbrush if you have to paint. Okay, that's it. All right, I'm ready now. As you can see, this is why I put it on high temperature for right now, because you need to get it all around. And you have to have time enough to get it lined up. Okay. Showing out on me tonight. I'm going to reinforce it all the way around. See? That's what I mean by your fingertips. It's still hot. And so you see that little gap? That's okay. That's why I say you need clear glue, because be a fool. But anyway, there it is right now. And then this one needs to dry. I already have one made. So I'm gonna bring it out and see how I was saying it's clear. So that's, you know, it's kind of thick. So but if you want, you can peel it down, but I'm not. I'm gonna leave it there for the lip here. And you will need quite a bit. It's softer. So I recommend you when you're doing this to kind of start your don't do that. Start it while it's still kind of hot. Okay, guys, I did want to show you right quick how I'm going to make the bunny's feet. I have, this is the wrapper from the gems, and I just cut out a heart and just kept getting it to where I felt like it was a good size. And now I'm going to cut the plastic heart out, and I'm going to use the plastic as the foundation for the crystals, so the crystals will have something to actually sit on, so I can make the feet, you know, around. And by the time the feet are finished and it's glued to the bunny, then it doesn't it's not going to matter where the plastic is up there or not. So that's what I'm going to do with the feet. And okay, okay. And with the bunny, I have, connected the two pieces together. And I decided, because I've been looking at bunnies' faces, and on bunnies, their nose is an upside down heart. And so I'm going to use markers. I'm sorry, guys. Hold on for a second. I'm going to use colored markers to actually draw that on. And so it'll look better this way, because I was going to do it with gems, but I don't want to make it too bulky up here. And I am also making sure that the bunny is level, so when everything is finished, she'll be able to sit down right. I don't want her to be rocking. So okay, guys, I wanted to come back and show you how I made or started my bunny's tail. I took a piece of just clear wrapper from probably a popcorn bag, and then I took a medicine cap about the size I wanted my bunny tail to be as far as width. And then I took that cap. Excuse the way I'm recording, guys. I'm sorry that the background is not professional. I'm trying to get this done. And I took it and I laid it across the peel cap. And then I started with E6000, and I put E6000 all on that. And I started the gems upside down, so the point is upward. Let me put these up here because you can see it better. The point is upward. And so I went around, and I just went around the circumference of the circle. I filled it, the inside, and I did the outside. They're falling off, but they didn't fall off before. And it ended up being, I think, 5 or 6, something like that. Anyway, it was around, and then the one in the middle was upside down. Was the right side, I meant. Well, I should have said right side up. And then I just build off of that until I got this. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking my hot glue gun, because the once it gets to a certain point, the E6000 is going to fall off, not unless you just sit there and hold it. And I'm still using the clear glue sticks, and I'm taking it and putting the glue around here. Let me do one for you. So I'm taking it. It's hard looking through the viewfinder at this. And I'm putting the glue. I hope I don't have a big glob of glue. Anyway, and then I'm sitting the gem. I think that's where it goes. Right in there. Like that. And then I'm just going to build it up. And I'm going to sit the bunny tail on the back of the bunny. So I just wanted to come back on that stage. Okay, guys, some more unprofessional or whatever recordings. I wanted you guys to see how I did the arms. I took some more plastic and I just cut out a piece of the shape and stuff that I wanted the arms to be in. I glued them on the plastic, and I want them to lay as a curve. I don't want them to be stuck out. I want them to be in a curve. So I just got a bottle and laid it across there so it can have that little curve in it when it dries, and I'll be able to put it on. Yes, guys. She's still on the bed, so I'm holding her back, but she's very stable. I put a bow up here, a pearl and sapphire bow. I made it the same way I made the whiskers and the bunny ears. I took a Chanel stem, I did it in a bow-like shape, and I stuck the bow up there. She got whiskers. Her nose is a gem, and it has pink paint. Her mouth is the same thing her whiskers are. Her necklace is bling bling with a pearl and sapphire brooch that was made. And I did this the same way I did her feet and her, oh guys, and her arms. I used the plastic and put it down and place the blue down first and then put the pearls around her. But yeah. Now, like I said, this is not a DIY that you're going to just do in 10 to 15 minutes. If you want to do her, she takes about 2.5 bags of crystals from Amazon, and I do. And yeah, I hope you enjoy her. So bye.